Important events of my life. Some of the important events of my life is when I bought my first mountain bike, when I bought my PC, my first downhill race that I won, my first time working, my first cars, and the best bike I ever bought. My first bike that bought was in 22, which was the one in the photo, which is a mountain bike from Intense brand. I bought it with money that I had been saving during the year, and I went to San Diego to buy it. When I bought my PC, my first PC that I bought to play is the one of the photo that I bought in 2020. I bought this one because I was excited to have one to play video games. I was saving up for this throw high in high school. My first downhill race that I won. Another important event for me is when I won my first downhill race, for which I had been training for months so that I could take first place in the junior pro category. Another event is my first time to working. The most important events for me was I worked for the first time was when I was 17 years old. I had to go work for a summer in Las Vegas with some cousins, and I worked as decorative stone polisher. And another is my first car. And another important event is my first car. It was able to buy my first car, which I was a focus. I was able to buy it thanks to working one summer in Las Vegas with my cousins and saving a note to buy it. And last one is the best I bike ever bought. And the last important event is when I was able to buy the bike of my dreams, which is the one of the photos of Santa Cruz B10. It was able to get it thanks to working and saving, and I have been delighted with the bike. And those one have been some one of important events.